Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a really cool tutorial, so let's jump right into it. Here's how I make plastic textures. First off, you're gonna need a plastic black trash bag if you have one. Then go to your printer and we're going to scan our plastic trash bag. Just place it on top, squish it up, and scan it. For the scanning options, I usually go with a PNG file, grayscale, and 300 dpi. To use it on your artwork is actually really easy. You just drag the texture you just made onto your Photoshop file, resize it, place it wherever you prefer, and then just change blending mode. I usually go with either screen or soft light, depending if I'm feeling like a lighter or a darker effect. You can also lower the opacity a little bit, and that's it. It's so cool. It's so much better to create your own. This way you're not stealing anything from anybody. You're not paying for some textures that are actually so easy to make. You can make your own according to what you need and what you're looking for. And the process is exactly the same for almost all textures. For example, like poster folds texture, you just get a piece of paper, you crumple it up, you fold it a little bit, and then you scan it. And that's basically it. You keep all your textures in a folder on your desktop or wherever you want, so that you can use them anytime. And you have your personal texture pack, which is so cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and comment if you want to request a tutorial. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.